Good morning, you all. Good morning. The chief guest for today's program, Dr. Rekha Madam. She is from Tamil Nadu. On the stage, Agnes sir, my dear alumnus Suraj, Sudhir, and my colleagues, dear students and staff members. Nice to be here for this inaugural ceremony of this Aditya 2022. Actually, I remember the 2016 year because in which we had wonderful competition of solar vehicle. And Suraj, I wanted to back that days once again in the college. So I am dreaming that next year, 2025, we may have that kind of a championship if Aradhya sir is ready to host that. If we announce it in advance, I don't think it is difficult. Because this time we are, within 1 month we have organized this event. But if we plan systematically next year, I am ready to give very good prizes for that competition. I need your help, Sudhir and Suraj. Let's hope that from next year we can bring the days back because 16, 17 we had the 2 competitions back to back. It was really wonderful competitions in this college because that kind of the vibrance is required in the engineering college. Of course, because of this pandemic, we lost all the momentum. Because 3-4 years we could not have that kind of activities and we could not have even projects, regular projects in the college. But again, once again, we have started the activities in the college. Nice to be here because Dr. Rekha Madam is here. आणि तुम्हा सगळ्यांना त्यांनी सांगितलं की 3 वर्ष अमेरिकेमध्ये तारापका युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये रिसर्च करतायत. ती खूप पोस्ट डॉक्टर करतायत. ही खूप चांगली जगण्याची बाब आहे. But most importantly, when she entered in this college, when she entered in my office, and she had one very wonderful observation. Immediately she told me, "So I have seen in your college, I have seen the lady teachers in your college, those are wearing the chudidar." त्यांना हे आश्चर्य का वाटलं कारण तामिळनाडूमध्ये she told me in Tamil Nadu in all school teacher college wherever sari for the ladies are compulsory. So she wanted to tell that what kind of the freedom you have in this Maharashtra. I think we have the freedom, but we should understand the meaning of the freedom also. So I appeal all the students because these are the events which we organize in the college just to channelize your innovations, your creativity and all that. And you should be passionate enough for doing the small projects, creating some innovative ideas, developing some projects. आणि हे सगळं करत असताना most importantly, identifying the problems from the society is most important. On the 6th April, we are hosting our annual project competition phase this time. And this time, Dr. A.G. Kulkarni has taken one step that is, can we have the wings theme-wise? And kadachit पुढच्या वर्षीपासून, we are planning to have the theme-wise projects in the department, whether it is final projects or mini projects. So themes will be given, and this is happening. You might have observed, because I have observed in the many European universities, they declare the theme before start of the academic year. म्हणजे तुमचं हे वर्ष समजा 30 एप्रिलला संपतंय, तर 30 एप्रिलला they declare the next year theme of the project for the university, entire university. The theme of the project is the medical science. म्हणजे कुठलेही प्रोजेक्ट करू द्या, कुठल्याही ब्रांचमध्ये करू द्या, कॉम्प्युटर सायन्स असो, मेकॅनिकल असो, सिव्हिल असो, they have to think that project must be in the field of medical science. तशी थीम असते ॲग्रिकल्चर, एखाद्या वर्षी थीम असते ॲग्रिकल्चर. सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ द कल्चर वी शुड ब्रिंग. याच्यामध्ये होतं काय की when the theme is given, then we think that we have to identify the problem. I remember when I visited in 2010 in the Aalborg University, Denmark, that time theme was the living apartment. म्हणजे एक लिव्हिंग अपार्टमेंट जिथं तुम्ही राहता तिथे प्रॉब्लेम्स शोधून आणा आणि त्या प्रॉब्लेमवरती सोल्युशन्स देण्यासाठी प्रोजेक्ट डेव्हलप करा. याच्यामध्ये होतं काय की when the theme is given, we seriously think की what is the problem of the society. And once you identify the problem, मग त्याच्यावरती आपण सोल्युशन फाइंड आउट करायचा प्रयत्न करतो आणि दॅट हॅपन्स नॉर्मली द इनोव्हेशन्स. कारण नॉर्मली असं म्हटलं जातं कुठलाही आपण रिसर्च करू, whatever make the projects which you are doing, whatever the innovations, creative things which you are doing, त्याचा बेनिफिट ना व्हायला पाहिजे, the end it should beneficial to the society. आपण जो रिसर्च करतो इट शुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर द सोसायटी आणि त्यामुळे whenever we have the theme for this kind of the activities, automatically we all think in the same direction and then we identify the problems from the society. त्याच्यावरती आपण काम करतो. I think this should happen precisely in the engineering colleges and I hope from the next year we will accelerate these ideas to have these competitions, projects in theme based. So we can have wonderful projects, innovations happens in this college. Once again, I welcome you all for this one-day competition in the different areas of the solar activities. Workshop आहे लहान school children साठी हे सगळे enjoy करा. Take the maximum benefit of this. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.